Hey yoga friends! Before we jump into today's exciting yoga practice, don't forget to hit the like button and click subscribe so you can be part of all our yoga journeys. We've prepared lots of fun poses and games just for you. Ready? Let's begin!
Our first pose, mountain. Stand tall with your feet together or slightly apart. Relax your arms by your sides and face your palms forward. Gently close your eyes and take deep breaths to feel stable and grounded from within. Shift your weight onto one leg and slowly place the sole of your other foot against your inner thigh or calf. Bring your hands together at your chest or reach them high like growing branches, while keeping your gaze fixed on a steady point to maintain balance. Gently lower your foot and come down to your mat on all fours in the tabletop position. Inhale, drop your belly and look up for cow pose. Then exhale, round your spine toward the sky and tuck your chin for cat pose to stretch your back. From cat-cow, plant your palms firmly, tuck your toes, and lift your hips high toward the sky to form an inverted V shape. Lengthen your back and arms, keeping your head relaxed between your shoulders to feel a deep full body stretch. From downward dog, gently lower your hips, glide forward, and lower your body onto the mat. Inhale, use your back and arm strength to lift your chest, keeping shoulders relaxed and opening the chest for Cobra Pose to stretch the front of your body. From Cobra Pose, plant your hands, tuck your toes, and push your hips high into a quick downward dog. Then lightly step or hop both feet forward between your hands. Inhale, bend your knees deeply as if sitting in an invisible chair, and sweep your arms high overhead to complete the powerful chair pose. Shift your weight onto one leg and gracefully step the other foot far back, lowering your knee or keeping the leg straight to enter Crescent Lunge. Keep your torso upright. Reach your arms high toward the sky and feel the steady balance like a glowing crescent moon. From Crescent Lunge, pivot your back heel down to the mat and extend your arms out to the sides, parallel to the floor. Keep your front knee bent deeply and fix your steady gaze over your front fingertips to complete the powerful Warrior II pose. From Warrior II Pose, straighten your front leg and turn both feet to face forward. Inhale, reach your arms high toward the sky, open your chest, and expand your body into the shape of a brightly shining 5-pointed star to receive energy. From Star Pose, inhale and gracefully lower your arms, then exhale and come down to a kneeling position on your mat. Slowly lower your hips toward your heels, Fold your torso forward and rest your forehead on the ground to completely relax your body and mind in a peaceful child's pose. Great job, yoga friends! You did amazing today. Share this with your friends so they can join the fun too. Take a deep breath, smile, and I will see you in the next session. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe so you won't miss our next yoga adventure. Bye bye!